This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting reliable contact and access. Put the watch snugly on the top of your wrist, tight enough to stay still but comfortable. Once done, press the digital crown and open the Heart app, or unlock your paired iPhone and open Health. Make sure wrist detection and a watch passcode are enabled to permit continuous readings. This prevents gaps in recording. Now that the app is active, move to capture mode and remain seated and relaxed for the first reading. You'll now take the actual measurement and log context so readings mean something. On the watch, tap heart rate and hold still while it measures for about 10 to 15 seconds. On iPhone, go to Health, browse Heart, and tap Add Data to enter manual values or notes. Make sure to label the condition, resting, walking, post-exercise, because Apple Health uses that to interpret trends. If you need a continuous or workout reading, start the Workout app and choose the appropriate activity so heart rate is tracked throughout. Finish by saving and validating your data so it's useful later. Once the reading appears, open the Health app on your iPhone and check the heart and trends sections to confirm timestamps and labels. This helps spot anomalies. If readings fail to appear, make sure Bluetooth is on and both devices are nearby. Restart them if syncing stalls. If the sensor gives erratic numbers, clean the watch back, reseat it, and install any watch OS updates. These steps resolve most hardware or firmware hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.